Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into running, cycling, or just want to track your workouts, you've probably heard of the Strava app. But with mixed reviews flooding the internet, is it actually worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, all the information shared here is based on public research and personal opinion. According to the official Strava site, the mobile app helps you track your runs, bike rides, hikes, and more. It offers GPS tracking, route planning, performance stats, and social features like following other athletes and joining challenges. The premium version includes more detailed analysis, goals, and access to features like recovery athletics for injury prevention. Some longtime users on Reddit say they enjoy tracking personal progress over time, setting weekly or yearly goals, and analyzing their performance on specific routes. The recent addition of recovery tools in the premium plan also seems to be a plus. Strava has a 1.7 star rating on Trustpilot, based on over 360 reviews. Complaints range from poor customer service, difficulties with cancellations and refunds, and issues like hidden PRs or personal records unless you pay. Several users say the app isn't accurate with routes, and that support is almost impossible to reach. Strava can be a powerful fitness tracking tool if you're tech-savvy and ready to commit to the ecosystem. But if you're expecting flexible billing or strong customer support, you might be disappointed. The free version may be enough for casual users, but the premium subscription only worth it if you're a serious athlete and fully understand what you're getting into. And that's it for today's review. If you've used Strava yourself, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app reviews. Catch you in the next one.